In front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 10. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, enable Hey Google function, tap agree, more, agree, continue. And now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Okay Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.